Hello, Linder Eagles. Happy Friday. We're so proud of each and every one of you for staying safe, wearing your mask. And I love how you guys are walking down the hallways 6 feet apart and staying in your spots. You guys have been doing a phenomenal job. Happy Friday again. Today is October 16th. We're wrapping up Hispanic Heritage Month, as you guys can see. And we're so proud to see all of your learning that's happening in the classrooms. Feliz viernes, soy Mr. Fazbanda. Hoy es el 16 de octubre. Estamos muy orgullosos de cada uno de ustedes que están usando sus mascarillas, se están lavando las manos, están caminando apropiadamente. Vamos a empezar. Let's go ahead and get started with the Pledge of Allegiance. Everyone, if you could please stand and rise, face the United States flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Ahora en español. Juro lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación bajo Dios, indivisible, con libertad y justicia para todos. All right, now face the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Ahora en español. Honra a la bandera de Texas. Te juro lealtad, Texas. Un estado bajo Dios, uno e indivisible. Ahora tomaremos un momento de silencio. At this time, you may sit down and take a moment of silence. Alrighty. At Linder Elementary, boys and girls, we are a No Place for Hate school. So for our No Place for Hate initiative, we will stand up for bullying and we will wear orange on Wednesday, October 21st. So please help us and to show your support to help us spread kindness. En la primaria de Linder, somos una escuela sin lugar para el odio. Para nuestra iniciativa, vamos a vestir de naranja el miércoles 21 de octubre. Ayúdanos para mostrar su apoyo y ayudarnos a ser amable. Muy bien. Y luego vamos a revisar las águilas, los que recibieron plumas de águilas. Let's go ahead and look over who received eagle feathers this week. Wow, I see a lot of names. So for kinder, for leadership, we have Dylan en el Salón de Mr. Paz, Myra Rosales, Yelisa Garza. For respect, we have Victor, Salvador, Priscilla, Young. Initiative, we have Camila, Derek Durst, Isaiah Oyervides. For perseverance, Kylie, Ketia, Isaac Ramirez. For kindness, Liana, Luca, Zachary, Maxi. Wow, good job, kindergarten. First grade. For leadership, liderazgo, Luis Sanchez, Valeria Romero, Ray Lozano, Ana Lucia Gonzalez. Respect, Camila, Alejandro, Kaylin, Marjorie, and Sarah. Initiative, Yareli, Victor. For perseverance, Lucio, Noah, Javier. Showing kindness, ser amable, Jacqueline, Stephanie, Isaías Mejía. En segundo grado, second grade, leadership, liderazgo, Isamar Vega, Oliver Mateo Dominguez. For respect, respeto, Catherine, Daniel, Anise. Initiative, Alejandro, Amy. For perseverance, Jimmy, Megan. For kindness, we have Kevin and Michaela Garcia. Wow, good job, boys and girls. For third grade, we have Owen. For leadership, we have Owen, Blessing, Soylent Man. For respect, we have Layla, Rudy, Jordan. Initiative, Moises, Jose, Maya, Ernesto, Perseverance, Melissa, Zulma, Zachary. For kindness, we have Maria, Benji, and India. Good job, third grade. For fourth grade, for leadership, Kamora, Crystal. For respect, we have Emily, Alexis, Axel, Fanny, Josue. For initiative, we have Isaiah. For perseverance, we have Santiago, Rayanne, Janisa, Annabelle, Michael Johan, and Angel Miranda. For fifth grade, for respect, respeto, tenemos a Manuel, Valentina. For initiative, we have Aaron, Benjamin. Perseverance, Aliana, and Facundo Villarreal. And this week, we have some faculty staff members that are on our Linder team, Eagle Feathers. Congratulations for showing initiative, Miss Waterman de la Rosa, and showing kindness, Miss Flannery. Thank you, boys and girls. And if you were not on the list this week, go ahead and keep working hard, keep showing as much effort as possible. Your teachers, I know, are extremely proud of you. We're proud of you. Ms. Rodriguez and I are extremely proud of you, so keep working hard. Let's go ahead and end with the Learner's Creed. I believe in myself and my ability to do my best at all times. Just for today, I will listen, I will see, I will speak, I will feel, I will think, I will reason, I will read, I will write. I will do all these things with one purpose in mind, to do my very best and to not waste this day, for this day will not come again. Ahora en español, todos los días quiero que recuerden nuestro credo, el credo del alumno de Linder. Creo en mí mismo y en mi capacidad para dar lo mejor de mí en todo momento. Solo por hoy voy a escuchar, voy a ver, voy a hablar, voy a sentir, a pensar, voy a razonar, voy a leer, voy a escribir. Haré todas estas cosas con un propósito en mente, dar lo mejor de mí y no desperdiciar este día. Para este día no vendrá otra vez. All right, boys and girls, we're so proud of you, Linder Eagles. Have a great learning day.